What's going on, everybody? It's Tucker. I'm here with Josh Rice.
How's it going?
The Rockstar group. Here we are. We're at Espire Sports for some of the fun new
attractions, right?
Activities that they have.
Attractions.
So one of which is mini bowling. They have that up and going. They've got outside court. How many outside courts?
5 new courts being built.
5 new courts out there. They're setting stuff up for events here, but we got basketball. We got
golf simulators.
We got pickleball. So
check out the video. We'll show you a little bit of what's going on.
Sounds good.
Hey guys, it's Josh and Tucker, and we're done, huh?
We're done.
It's been fun, man. We got to play some golf, some bowling, and of course, check out the cool pickleball courts here at Espire Sports. Check them out.
This place is awesome. I'm going to put a link to the other video that we did, so definitely check that out for a full view of everything. And here was the update stuff. So as you can see in the banner, the Rockstar group is going to be heavily involved here at Espire Sports.
So visit us, the Rockstar group, and Espire Sports at the Prescott Gateway Mall, and come have a good time. See you soon.
Thanks. See you in the next one.